Well, I just went and picked me something up. This part right here is broken. I don't know, that feels like soft rubber or hard rubber or soft plastic. I don't know. The pedal drive, I'm going to see if I can jerry rig something on here to hold that. Because that looks like a separate piece, so that's, the fin's not broken, it's just this piece right here that's broken. This is how mine is broken. There's a replacement part made by Hobie. I'm not sure if this is the right one. Research it first. But this is what mine looks like broken. Well, I took my Pelican Catch 110 Hydryve pedal drive apart. And this is what's wrong with it. The sprocket is broken. And what really sucks is the angle that these are at. I was thinking about putting like a, what do you call it, a hose clamp on it with the flat side over the top, but there's really no place to put it. Let me see what I can figure out. It's my understanding that the Hobie sprocket also fits, so let's see what happens there. What I'm doing is I'm taking this little ring here, holding it with a needle nose, making it beat red with a torch, and then dropping it right on the crack, and then squishing it with the pliers. And the result looks like this. I did one down here, I did one there, and I did another one up here. Ugly as hell, but hope it works, at least for now. This is the process. I take some scrap pieces of stainless steel TIG welding wire, wrap it around a small screwdriver with a pair of vice grips, then I clip the spring and make little circles like these. I'll take a couple of pairs of pliers to flatten them out. They'll look like this when I'm done. Then I'll take a torch and heat that thing till it's beat red, drop it on the crack, and then press it with pliers in place. Alright, well here's my fix. It's stainless steel rod rolled into little circles and sounds pretty solid. So I'm going to put this thing back together. Let's see what it does. I didn't do anything on the inside because that needs to be smooth and be able to move. I'm probably going to put a little grease on it. I'm guessing whatever I did worked because I got a working fin now. I mean, it's ugly, but it needs a water test, it needs a pressure test, but there's not really a lot of pressure goes into that thing, so now you know how to fix your broken sprocket. If you're going to take this apart, I loosened everything and I took the fins off, and it was a little work to get these lined up again, but you just got to make sure these are pointing down, straight down, while everything is snapped into place. Then you can tighten up the nuts. Well, I guess my fix didn't work. I barely made it out of the dock, and I was wondering why this thing was wobbling so much. Well, tried and true. Get the paddle out. Yeah, I think as soon as I started pedaling, that thing snapped off. Well, I guess I'm going to order that $25 part. So do not fix your Mirage, what do you call it, your pedal drive from your Catch the way I fixed it. I'm going to have to order that part. I contacted Pelican. She said she was going to send me an email. She didn't send me anything. This is the second time I had to deal with Pelican where they said they were going to contact me and then they didn't. I did a little research, and this one looks like it has a set screw like the Pelican, so I'm ordering this one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.